Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Honda Fit with the check engine on the dashboard, and let me try to accelerate. See, there is a problem with the acceleration. So today I'm going to scan this vehicle using my dark zone software so that we identify the main fault code. Japan 50%, 100. It was 7 model. Then the engine. Okay, bread. So look very careful. The problem here is P0108, which is Manifold absolute pressure map sensor circuit high voltage. So there is a problem with map sensor. So let's go and confirm. Ignition zone. So after cleaning the map sensor, so we need to clear the fault code from the system. Okay, let me fix. We don't have a network here, so we are going to clear. After that, I'm going to reset the ECU. So on some vehicle, after the ECM PCM is reset, the idle may be low erected until the ECM PCM learn the proper idle air control values, or IAC learning occurs. If you allow the engine to idle for 10 minutes at normal operating temperature. Okay, so let me confirm I think there's not any fault code. Let me start the vehicle. Confirm. Off. On. So we need to wait for around 10 minutes. The ECU to learn the idle. So let's wait and see. Okay, before we are waiting, let me scan the vehicle again to confirm that fault code. The 16 pin from Japan. It was 7 model. I'm going to scan again to verify that fault code from the system. Okay, read the fault code. See, there's not any fault code on the system. So let's wait for 10 minutes, then we see how this vehicle is going to perform. See, smooth.